Hi everybody, this is Keith Couch with Rocky Mountain Peterbilts, Rush Truck Center in Greeley, Colorado. Just wanted to go over one that the other sales guy here sold, Chuck. And these come out of our national pool. Rush has a set of pool trucks that sit near the factory in Denton, Texas. And if we don't have it, a lot of times they do, and they're sitting there. We just need to get a deposit and a signed sales order, and we can bring it up or ship it anywhere to you, wherever you would like. They're not exactly the specs we normally carry here in Greeley, but they're very good. Um, they're very well priced. Um, it's a 2020 Peterbilt 389 extended hood with a 72-inch flat top. No air horns on the cab, which is good. And they just kind of leave them set there like this. Got a tapered front bumper instead of a Texas bumper. I'd like to see the Texas bumper, but that's an easy fix. Just kind of your standard light package. Nothing super special about it, but very well equipped. Just a real nice, good looking truck. 280 wheelbase with the polished wheels. This one's in Viper Red. See, the sun's not out today. It's trying to get this in before a snowstorm comes through. Polished air tank, polished steps, polished cover on the def tank. Do have a master disconnect right there on the battery box. Saves your batteries over time. Those tanks would look real good if they were painted red, I think. They'd bring some of the red down. Toolbox steps. The catwalk there. 6 load lights in the back and a tinted rear window. And then place for your CD antenna right there. Hodge-built quarter fenders. Nice and polished. This one happens to be on 285/75 24/5 tires. Peterbilt wheels. Low air leaf suspension. And we keep these down there. They keep them with drum brakes. Like to see discs, but the drum brakes does help keep the cost down. LED lights. Holland fifth wheel. It's like about a 36-inch slide. Got a 150 on this side, probably a 120 on the other, or a 110. Oh, I'm sorry, this is a 135. So we probably got a 110 on the other side. Polished vent window, or polished air vent right there. Not a window. Whoever was polishing those had a good day. That's very good looking after treatment cover. Comes with a Cummins X15. I think she's up. Take a look. There's the hot side of the motor. I believe it's a 565 horse, 1850 torque. This one just is a spring ride front suspension, disc brakes up front, which is standard from Peterbilt. So kind of a standard front end setup. Still very nice, still rides very well. So I can shut the hood. And let's see if we can, yes, it's a 565, 1850 torque. Got the Davco fuel filter, which is good. It's just so pretty standard engine, plenty of horsepower, plenty of torque for 90% of what needs taken care of and hauled. And take a look inside. They don't do them quite as fancy as we normally do, but I get that for a kind of a stock truck. platinum interior. We normally do black carpet. I think this is kind of the speckled, which I like it too. It's kind of a nice change. Sears 80 seats. And they bring them in with a navigation system, which I'd prefer the full gauges. But we do have people specifically want the navigation. Smart nav, good AM FM CD player, heater controls, air, 18-speed transmission. It's your air dump valve, sliding fifth wheel, and a interaxle diff lock there. There's your extra gauges. Go back to home. You've got all kinds of other stuff and audio. Ready for a CB. Does not have one installed. You do have the nice sound system in your CB speaker up here. 72-inch flat top. Step back in here. It's hard to see back in here. This isn't my sale, and so it's not my delivery, so I'm not going to go messing with a bunch of stuff. But pretty standard 72-inch flat top. Does not have the business center over here. It's just a closet. So you got two closets. We normally bring them in with that business center. We got a place for your TV up here, vent over here, and then you've got the rear window, which Chuck has covered up right now. So just thought I'd give you a quick rundown. These trucks are in stock. They're sitting there, and like I said, with a deposit and a signed sales order, we can get these up here fairly quickly. If you need to know pricing on them and everything, just let me know. I don't think they have a whole huge array of colors. I think they kind of keep the colors fairly basic. So I just thought I would go over that with you so that you guys could see it. Again, it's just a good solid spec. Didn't have a whole lot of problems from it. 565, 1850 torque, 280 wheelbase. One thing I will do, everybody wants to know, shut this off. Everybody wants to know what they weigh. This one, the chassis weight is 18,251 pounds. 18,251. So that's what we got. Sometimes I forget to put those in my videos, so I apologize for that. But 2020 389 in Viper Red. Good looking truck. Well priced, and be a great truck for somebody. And so Chuck's got her sold. If anybody has any questions, just give me a holler, 970-691-3877. Or you can email me at couchk, C-O-U-C-H, the letter K, at rushenterprises.com. Thank you for watching.